थर्ड वन चलो ओके चलो
मैं खोल रहा हूँ मैं तो पूरे ले लिया
चलो so third one beta in question rather 70 calories of the heat is required to raise the temperature of 2 moles of an ideal gas at a constant pressure from 30 to 35 degrees. The amount of heat required in calories to raise the temperature of the same gas through the same range 30 to 35 at a constant volume will be equal to your how much? What happened beta? What is remaining constant in this one beta? Can you tell me what is remaining constant?
Volume.
Moles.
How?
Moles is
They gave
Constant
same
pressure kada. Ideal gas at a constant pressure from 30 degrees to 35 degrees centigrade.
yes.
Another one is also 30 to 35 degrees centigrade.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada?
Yes,
That
sir.
means I can use the first law of thermodynamics for this one.
Yes, sir.
If I'm using the first law of thermodynamics from the float, I can write delta Q is equals to delta
MC
U
delta.
plus of your delta W. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So at a constant temperature, I can say that delta Q is equal to how much beta?
constant pressure. P
Delta
of
Q
U2.
will be equal to your delta U plus of your delta W.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Voice loud and ledu. Just let me. Just a minute. I think I might be getting a call. Chalo. Yeah. Delta Q is equals to your delta U plus of your delta W.
Yes, sir.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
I'm audible beta.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir. You are
మీ
audible.
వాయిస్ రావడం లేదు నాకు.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 70 calories of heat is required to raise the temperature of the 2 moles. That means delta Q is equals to how much for me or 70. That is equals to delta U plus delta W can be written as of your.
E dot.
How do you write the W beta? Number of moles is given how much in calories gada.
Yes,
So
sir.
W will be can be written as of your NR into delta T.
Yes,
So
sir.
70 is equals to delta U plus number of moles is how much for me beta? En.
Yes,
R
sir.
also in calories equals to how much for me beta? This one is 2. This one is also 2.
8 point.
Into temperature difference 35 minus 30 that will be equal to 5.
5.
So delta U is equals to how much?
Yes, sir.
Okay na?
70. Okay, sir.
50. 50.
Clear beta?
Okay, sir.
వాయిస్ రావడం లేదు కంప్లీట్ గా. ఇంకా చలో నెంబర్ 4th వన్ చేశారా?
చేసాం సార్.
చెప్పాలా?
చేసాం.
ఇద్దరు have you done beta 4th
Yes,
one?
sir. Done, sir. Yes, sir.
5th one?
Fifth one done, sir.
Question number 5
Done, sir.
done?
Yes, sir.
చలో ఇద్దరా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Done,
sir.
sir.
చలో question number 5 question number 6
చెప్పండి సార్. 6.
6 రాలేదు, sir. 6 రాలేదు, sir.
చేయలేదా?
లేదు సార్.
రాలేదు, sir.
question number 6
కావాలి సార్.
Doubt, sir.
ఓకే చలో ఇది డెల్టా యు ఎంత వచ్చిందన్న? 70 plus 2 into 4 into 5
20.
50.
70 minus 20 that will be 50 అంతేనా? ఓకే చలో 6 వన్ చూడండి. 3 closed vessels A, B and C are at the same temperature T and contain the gases which obeys the Maxwell's distribution of velocities. Vessel A contains the oxygen, B nitrogen and C a mixture of equal quantities of oxygen and nitrogen. If the average speed of the oxygen molecule in the vessel A is V1 That of your N2 molecules in the vessel B is V2. The average speed of the oxygen molecules in the vessel C will be equal to your how much? You know that VRMS velocity is given by the formula beta. VRMS velocity idea on the VRMS velocity will be equal to your our average speed velocity. Average adigadu kada. So we'll write your V average. V average is equals to your under root of your 8R into T divided by pi into capital M. Avuna kada. So average
Yes, sir.
velocity is directly proportional to root T. Avuna kada.
Yes, sir.
Average velocity is directly proportional to your root T. Since the temperature of your A and C, for A and C, temperature is nothing but for me same. So I can say that average molecules of oxygen molecules will be equal to your A and C, kada,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? That means if A and C are at same temperature, so whatever is the velocity of A, velocity of the C will also be the same. So I can say that average speed of your oxygen will be equal to
Average speed
average speed of your A and C. That is how much for me? V1 only. Avuna kada. Sixth one, what I'll be writing the answer? B
V1.
option will be the answer for this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Seventh one చూడండి. Seventh one చేశారా?
చేశాను, sir.
Seventh one వచ్చిందా? చలో. Eighth one is VRMS only. See
Yes,
that
sir.
now we can get it out. The temperature of an ideal gas is increased from 120 Kelvin to 480 Kelvin.
Yes, sir.
If at 120 Kelvin, the root mean square velocity of gas molecule is V. At 480 Kelvin, what is it? So I'll just write the formula for you. We can try to do it out better. Question number 8. VRMS velocity, you tell me the formula better. VRMS is
Root
equals
over
to under root of your 3R into T divided by capital M.
M.
So again, VRMS is directly proportional to your how much beta?
Temperature.
Root of your T,
Yes.
isn't it? So temperature is increased from where to where beta?
120 to
Kelvin to
480.
your 480 Kelvin. 480 Kelvin. That means it is being increased how many number of times?
4.
4 times kada.
Yes, sir.
So that means root this will become for me how much? Root 4.
Four.
That means
Yes,
that
sir.
will become for me 2 times. 2 times of your V. Isn't it? And then
Yes, sir.
chalo.
Ninth call.
Question number 9. Cheshara.
Right, sir.
A ring-shaped tube contains the two ideal gases with equal masses and atomic mass number capital M is equals to 32 and M2 is equals to 28. The gases are separated by one fixed portion of your P and another movable conducting partition of your S, which can move freely without friction inside the ring. Okay. The angle are as shown in the figure in radians. In equilibrium, what will be the condition? So what is the diagram given for me? Okay, there are two parts beta, P and S. It is making angle of your alpha. So the other angle will become for me how much beta? 360 minus alpha.
That's alpha. Yes, sir.
So this angle will become how much for me? 360 minus of your alpha. Now let me read the question once again. Now what is the question is telling? A ring-shaped tube contains the two ideal gases with equal masses and your atomic masses. Okay, and molecular masses are given how much for me? Numbers capital M1 is given as M2, another one is 28. The gases are separated by one fixed partition P and as well as of your another movable conducting partition S, which can move freely without friction inside the ring. The angles are shown in the figure in radian. In equilibrium will be equal to how much? Okay. Now first calculate what is the number of moles of the gases present in both of them beta. Which question is this one? Ninth one. Na?
Ninth.
So how do you calculate the molecular weight beta? Mass will be equal to how much beta? Mass will be equal to your N into
32.
molecular weight. Sir.
Yes, sir.
That means N will be equal to how much beta? Mass by molecular weight.
Yes, sir.
Now for two gases, if I am taking, how many number of moles have been present? So N1 is equals to mass of that gas divided by molecular weight is 30.
Weight.
Another one is N2 is equals to your M by another one is how much? 20.
28.
So as the partition is conducting, the pressure and temperature of the two gases will become equal now beta, because it is
Yes.
conducting now. As it is conducting, pressure and temperature of the two gases will become equal. That means V is directly proportional to how much for me beta? V is directly proportional to your N. V means what? Volume.
Volume.
Why volume? Because it is in your circular tube, gada, and it is your conducting tube. This one is making angle of your alpha. and this is your point P, and this is your point S, isn't it? So as
Yes,
it is
sir.
a conducting, the partition conducting avadam valla, the pressure and the temperature of the two gases will become equal. Then only it will be in equilibrium. He told in the problem very clearly, the system is in the equilibrium. The equilibrium means the pressure and temperature should be equal. When the pressure and temperature is equal, then volume should be directly proportional to your number of moles.
Yes, sir.
So I can write here V1 by your V2 will be equal to your N1 divided by N2. N1 is your M by 32 into this one is nothing but your how much beta?
28 by
your,
M.
so this one will get cancelled. So it is 28 divided by 32.
32.
V1 by V2 will become how much beta? 7 by 8.
Yes, sir.
7 by 8 hai kada?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me how do you write the volume beta?
4 by
Volume
3.
is proportional to the angle.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Volume is proportional to the angle only, the angle made, because in this two container, whatever the angle it is making an alpha, the another one is how much for me? If this is alpha, this is your
360 minus
2 pi
alpha.
minus of your alpha.
Yes, sir.
And this volume is directly proportional to angle only. Now, as the volume is changing, angle is also changing.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So now tell me, if I'm taking one angle is right now, so V2 divided by V1 will be equal to how much for me? Alpha divided by 2 pi minus of your alpha. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Antena? Or 2 pi by alpha, my alpha na?
Alpha. B1 is equal. Ante, sir.
Volume is directly proportional to number of moles.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
number of moles are more in which one better? You tell me. Lesser the
M1.
molecular weight, more will be the
In moles,
Avuna
number
kada?
of moles. Yes, sir.
number of moles kada. So who number N2 is greater than N1 kada.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
N2
sir.
is greater than N1 kabatti V2 by V1 is equal. So alpha by 2 pi minus alpha.
Yes, sir.
Antena?
Yes.
V2 by V1 is how much for me beta? 8 by 7 is equals to alpha
Alpha
by
by 2 pi minus
Pi
alpha.
minus alpha.
So calculate the value of alpha. So it is a 2 pi minus alpha into your 8.
2 8 is equals to 7
7
alpha. 16 pi minus 8 alpha.
16 pi minus 8 alpha is equals to 7 alpha. So
Yes, sir.
16 pi is equals to, this will how much for me?
16 pi by 50.
Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
So alpha is equals to how much for me? 16 pi divided by 15. This is your alpha. Good model beta. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ లాజిక్ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. వాల్యూమ్ ఇస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు యాంగిల్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ రావాలా. దెన్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫర్ మీ వెరీ ఈజీ. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ఓకే, ఒకవేళ కైనెటిక్ థియరీ రాకపోతే విడిచిపెట్టండి. కైనెటిక్ థియరీ క్లాసెస్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే చూసేసుకుంటుంది తొందరగా. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 10 ఇస్ వాట్ బేటా? ద యావరేజ్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ, అది మనం చేయలేదు, విడిచిపెడదాం. ట్రాన్సిషన్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ, వెజల్ ఆఫ్ 1 mole of relative molar vessel of your oxygen mixture, the ratio of the average rotational kinetic energy per molecule, idu kuda ade. And this one is also kinetic theory of gases
Right.
question only. 2 cylinders have been filled, gas absolute temperature, gas mixture of oxygen, neglecting the vibration. This one in ideal gas at a temperature V. Yeah, chalo, let us try to do this question beta. 19th one
sir.
graphical question. 18th one
Nine.
చేద్దామా?
Oh, sir. 18th వచ్చేసింది.
18th
19th.
వచ్చేసి
18th
19th one
చెప్తారా?
చేద్దామా? 19th one try చేద్దామా?
Okay, sir.
An ideal gas is initially at a temperature T and volume V. Its volume is increased by delta V due to an increase in the temperature of delta T. Pressure remaining the constant, the quantity dou is equals to delta V by V into delta V varies with the temperature as. Okay, we need to check with your graphs basically. So read the question. An ideal gas is initially at a temperature capital T and volume
And
is
volume V.
its volume increases by delta V due to the increase in the temperature by your delta T
Yes, sir.
particle. So write an
Yes,
ideal
sir.
gas equation right now first.
PV is equals to nRT.
Yeah. Which question is this one? Question number
19.
19. Question number 19. Yeah. So for ideal gas equation, PV is equals to NR into T. So here P is remaining for me constant. So P into your change in volume will be equal to NR into
delta T.
delta T.
Yes, sir.
So I can write here delta V by your delta T will be equal to how much?
NR by P.
NR divided by P. So that will be equal to N into R divided by P can be written as outward NR into T divided by V. NR gets cancelled. So this will become for me how much? V by
V
T.
by T.
Avuna kada? That means I can write here delta V divided by V into your delta T will be
Is
equal to
equals
1 by T.
1 by T.
And this total is nothing but for me how much right now?
Delta.
For me, in this given condition delta. That
Yes.
means if this is your some delta is equals to your 1 by T. So it is
Yes,
inversely proportional to the temperature. No? So if I draw a graph between them,
Down.
tau versus your delta versus your temperatures, what I will be getting the graph?
Down.
Rectangular hyperbola. Ante kada?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like PV graph, isothermal relation. Avuna kada? So rectangular hyperbola.
Yes, sir.
So graph will be a rectangular hyperbola. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Question number 20 చూడండి. In the
వచ్చేసి.
given process చేశారా?
Direct. Yes.
Okay.
Done, sir.
21. Question number
21.
21.
ఒకసారి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం మాస్ పట్టి చేయాలి. కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు చూడు what type of a process it is better? PV plots of the two gases goes under the
Adiabatic.
adiabatic process
Two
as
is
shown in the
equals to-
figure. Plot 1 and 2 should correspond to respectively what he's asking right now. See what is the graph here right now? See if I'm taking any 2 points, keep the volume constant for both of them. This is the volume constant. So now for this one, this will be the pressure and this will be the pressure. Pressure vary avutunda leda constant volume.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't or else you keep the pressure constant and volume draw just one saripotundi. Isn't it? So what type
Okay.
of a gas it is right now? Adiabatic
Adiabatic.
gas as shown in the figure. Glass is okay, fine. Helium and oxygen. Okay. For adiabatic process, we know PV to the power of gamma constant.
Yes, sir.
21 if I'm taking right. Yeah.
Polytron.
PV to the power of gamma is equals to constant. For monatomic gas, what is the value of gamma beta?
Monatomic
By
gas.
CV, 0.6 approximately for monatomic gas.
Yes, sir.
For monoatomic. For diatomic gas, gamma
7
value
by
is
5.
1.4.
7 by. Okay.
So gamma of your diatomic is lesser than the gamma of monoatomic beta.
Yes, sir.
That means with increase in volume, as the volume is increasing, the pressure is what is happening? Pressure is decreasing.
Yes, sir.
So what will be representing what beta? Monatomic gas hai kada?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? See, gamma of your
Yes, sir.
diatomic gas is lesser than the gamma of your monatomic. So with increase in volume, there will be a decrease in what? Pressure. So as volume has been increasing, decrease in the pressure will be more for what beta? Monatomic gas kada?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm taking these 2 graphs right now in this one like given condition, and this is 1 and this is 2. So obviously 1 represents me what beta? Diatomic, and 2 represents me your monoatomic.
సార్
Monatomic.
ప్రెషర్ డిక్రీజ్ అనేది డయాటమిక్ కదా సార్ మోర్ ఉండేది డయాటమిక్
Diatomic kada? Because 1
Okay.
is representing right now for me diatomic gas. So obviously 2 will be your monatomic gas.
మోనోటమిక్ ఎస్ సార్
Clear?
ఎస్ సార్ సో 4 సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్
1, yeah. 22. దీంట్లో ఏమైనా చేశారా? Sure. Question number 22. Which of the
Graph.
following graph correctly represents the variation of beta is equals to minus of delta V by delta P by V with P of an ideal gas at a constant temperature. Okay, fine. Now you know this relation beta. Delta V by delta P by V will represents me what beta?
జస్ట్ నో ఇట్ 1 by t
Which of the following represent this is beta kada? Yeah. Inti?
t ఆ సార్
Bulk modulus beta, can you tell me? Bulk modulus is what? Change in volume. Volume stress by volume strain kada?
ఎస్ సార్
Volume stress means what? Pressure by change in volume by original volume. అవునా కదా? మనకి ఇచ్చింది ఏంది బీటా కదా? బీటా is equals to change in
dV
volume divided by
by-
change in pressure divided by V కదా?
ఎస్ సార్
అంటే this will represents me what?
బల్క్ మోడల్స్
Delta V by కింద తీసుకుంటే 1 by bulk modulus తీసుకోవచ్చా?
ఎస్ సార్
1 by bulk modulus of elasticity. So reciprocal of the bulk modulus means what? Compressibility. C. Isn't
Yes.
it? So I can say that beta is equals to bulk modulus and bulk modulus is nothing but of your equal to pressure kada? Isothermal
Yes, sir.
condition.
ఎస్ సార్
It is 1 by P. Adiabatic అయితే gamma times of pressure. Bulk modulus is equals to pressure P in your isothermal process beta. And bulk modulus is equals to gamma times
గామా
of
టీ
P for your
adiabatic.
adiabatic process. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
That means beta is inversely proportional to the pressure.
Yes,
So
sir.
if it is beta is inversely proportional to pressure means beta versus your this graph అడుగుతున్నాడు వాడు. Beta versus your P.
Pressure
So beta versus P will be what again?
Inversely
Rectangular
proportional.
hyperbola.
rectangle.
అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Inversely
sir.
proportional కాబట్టి. So that will be your rectangular hyperbola. Okay.
Yes, sir.
చలో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చూడండి. A monoatomic gas initially at a temperature T1 is enclosed in a cylindrical fitted with a frictionless piston. The gas is allowed to expand adiabatically to a temperature T2 by releasing the piston suddenly. If L1 and L2 are the length of the gas columns before and after the expansions respectively, then T1 by T2 is equals to how much? వచ్చిందా?
ఇది
Process
చేయొచ్చు.
చేయొచ్చు.
మీరు
ఏం process
చెప్పినట్టు
చెప్పండి? Yeah. What type of a process it will be better? TV to the power of gamma minus 1 is equals to constant. Adiabatic process.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Gamma value is how much for me? 5/3.
Monotony.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now what
Yes,
we
sir.
need to write the relation right now? Gamma
TV
value is
power
equals to this
2/3.
TV to the power of gamma is 5/3
2
minus
by
1.
3.
How much? 2/3. 2/3
ఇప్పుడు
is
TV1
equals to constant.
we can
Can
take
write the
it.
volume in terms of length, beta? Volume
sir.
is equals to area into length.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So volume is directly proportional to length. Second, right, T into L to the power of T/3 is equals to constant. Okay, na? So
Yes,
T
sir.
by T2 will be equal to how much beta? L2 by L1 to the power of 2 by 3.
2/3.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? If lengths are given, you can simplify the values of that one. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Question number 24.
24 లో అక్కడ వాల్యూ రాంగ్ ఇచ్చినట్టు ఉంది. అంటే పైన 2 రావాలి, కింద 1 రావాలి.
Paina, yeah. This is volume kabatti. Yeah, this should be equal to your
1.
yeah, this should be equal to 1 and this should be equal to 2. Might be some printing mistake. Okay. Let it take this one as 1 and this one will take it as 2. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి వస్తుందా? ఇక్కడ ప్రెషర్
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది సార్. డైరెక్ట్ -5.
ఇంకేమైనా ఇచ్చాడా ప్రాబ్లం?
లేదు సార్, డైరెక్ట్ వర్క్ డన్. టోటల్ వర్క్ డన్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 5.
ఓకే, ఎంత వస్తుంది?
-5 సార్.
వచ్చిందా?
వచ్చింది.
చూడనా. And an ideal gas is taken to the process ABC as shown in the figure. Okay, the work done by the process. Work done formula in the work done in this process will be
P.TV.
equal to work done from your A to B plus work done from your
From BTC.
B to C plus work done from your C to A. Work done
Yes,
from
sir.
A to B ఎంత? 10 joules కదా?
Yes, sir.
B to C అంటే వాల్యూమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఏది
Zero.
ఇచ్చినా కూడా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. That is 0. Then C to A.
That's
C
right.
to A. So this will be equal to how much better? C to A ఎంత అవుతుంది?
అదే కనుక్కోవాలి.
అదే కనుక్కోవాలా. Work done by C to A. Q ఇచ్చాడా?
ఈక్వల్స్ 5. Yes, sir.
Equal to 5, sir.
ఓ 5 అంటే W by CA క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి అంతే. ఎంత వస్తుంది? -5.
Minus.
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For an ideal gas undergoing a cyclic process as shown in the figure PT diagram where AC is an adiabatic, the process also is represented by what process? చేశారా ఇది?
T2. లేదు
Try
సార్.
చేయండి. An ideal gas undergoes a process, cyclic process as shown in the PT diagram. So this is a PNT gram which has already shown for us. A to B is what better? Temperature is remaining constant. See in this
Yes, sir.
one process where the temperature is remaining constant for me. A to B. C. A to B means P versus V graph. Obviously this will be your isothermal temperature remaining constant. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
A to B it is not possible. Straight line ఇచ్చాడు.
అవును.
అవునా కదా? రెక్టాంగులర్ హైపర్బోలానే కావాలి కదా మనకు.
Yes, sir.
సో ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్
Yes, sir.
ఆప్షన్ లో అవ్వదు, థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ లో అవ్వదు, ఫోర్త్
Fourth
ఆప్షన్ లో
option
కూడా
కూడా
అవ్వదు,
Rectangular.
థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ లో కూడా అవ్వదు. ఓన్లీ రెక్టాంగులర్ హైపర్బోలా అంటే ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఒకటే ఏ ఒకటే.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే చలో 26 ట్రై చేశారా?
ట్రై చేశాను సార్.
26. Yeah. An ideal gas is initially at P1 V1 is expanded to P2 V2 and then compressed adiabatically to the same volume V1 and pressure P3. If W is the net work done by the gas in the complete process, which of the following is true antunnadu? An ideal gas is initially at P1 P2 is expanded to P2 V2 and then compressed adiabatically to the same volume that is nothing but of your V1. Okay, and the pressure is nothing but equal to your P3. Okay, pressure is right now for your P3. ఎట్లా చేయాలి డయాగ్రామ్ అని ఇవ్వలేదు సంథింగ్ is missing there. An ideal gas is initially at P1 V1 and expanded to your P2 and V2. Then compressed adiabatically to the same volume. Okay, I'll check that one bit. Might be some diagram missing on it. Okay, 27 చూడండి. Temperature of the gas is 20 degrees centigrade and pressure is changed from 1.01 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal to 1.165 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. The volume decreases adiabatically by 10%. Bulk modulus of the gas is how much? I hope you can do this one.
Yes, sir.
చూడండి ఒకసారి ఒక మినిట్ టైం తీసి చెప్పండి తొందరగా. బల్క్
Yes,
మోడల్స్
sir.
ఫార్మ్ ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పాను నేను. What is the bulk modulus formula? B is
Volume
equals
by-
to minus of delta P divided by change in volume
delta V by V.
Yes, sir.
Try చేయండి ఒకసారి వస్తుందో లేదంతా చూడండి.
One point 1.5 first option, sir.
వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే చలో. క్లియరా?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
డైరెక్ట్ రిలేషన్ డెల్టా పి అంటే
అంతే sir, formula.
చేంజ్ ఇన్ వాల్యూమ్ అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ నెగటివ్
1.16.
మైనస్ ఆఫ్ 1.165 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ ప్రెషర్
1.5
1.5 into 10 to the power of 5 divided by this one is 0.1
0.1.
by 1 అవునా కదా 10%
Yes,
అలా simplified will get the answer for that one. Chalo next one. This is something very important for me. This model నేను చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను. An ideal gas is expanding such that Pt square is equals to constant. The coefficient of volume
Yes, sir.
expansion of gas is how much? Pt square is constant. The coefficient of volume expansion of the gas will be equal to how much is asking? 28. Okay. Pt square is equals to constant. Okay. Now use the ideal gas equation. PV is equals to nRT.
Yes, sir. P is
Isn't
equals to
P
nRT
is
by V
equals to how much for me? nRT
nRT by-
divided by V.
into
So
T
this will
square
be equal to nR into T by your V
into
into
T square.
your T square is equals to your constant. Isn't it? So
Yes,
T
sir.
square into T, this will become for me T cube. V will become for me -1, that is equals to your constant. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఏమడిగా చూడండి ఇప్పుడు దాంట్లో
Clear.
an ideal gas is expanding with this so and so the coefficient of volume expansion of the gas అంటున్నాడు. Coefficient of volume expansion of gas అంటే గుర్తుందా? గామా కదా.
Yes,
Gamma
sir.
means what? Change in volume by original volume into change in temperature. And can I write this one in differentiation beta? Can I write this one as dV divided by
dV by
V
V
into your
into
dt?
dt.
This is your gamma. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Now to get this one, what I can do this one? I can differentiate this equation,
Yes, sir. dt square 3t square
then differentiate it. Differentiate
3t
it.
square
Differentiating,
-1
if I'm doing the differentiation, then that's t cube కాబట్టి this will
3
become for me 3 out.
3t
This will become
square.
for me t square divided by v. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Into this one will become for me dt minus this is v power -3 అంటే t cube will be
Minus.
as it is. This is your
Plus.
v -2 అంటే d square అవుతుంది into your dv that will be equal to 0. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా? సో t cube అంటే differentiation of t square
3t square by V.
3 into t square divided by v into dt. కరెక్టే. t -1 అంటే t cube బయటికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. v power -1 అంటే v power -2 కింద తీసుకున్నాను v square into dv that is equal to 0. కరెక్టే కదా? So now if I take this one on this side, this will become for me anything is
3t
getting cancelled better. 3 into t square divided by v into your dt will be equal to
t cube by V square
t cube divided by v square into
square
your anything is
dv.
getting cancelled. V square లో ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోయింది,
V.
T square లో ఈ క్యూబ్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది. This one is your T into
3dt
will be equal to your T
dv by.
divided by ఇక్కడ ఒక V ఉంటుంది కదా
Okay, sir.
into
ఇంకా
your
dv.
అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
So now I got change in volume by original volume, everything.
Yes, sir.
అంతేనా, ఇంకేం మిస్ అవుతుందా? So
Yes.
I can write here gamma value change in volume by original volume into change in temperature. అంటే this T I'll take here 3 by T is equals to change in volume by original volume into change in temperature. This will be equal to gamma. So therefore I can write gamma value is equals to 3 by T. Good connection. Kada?
అవును sir.
Chala, very good. ఇంకా దీంట్లో ఏం చేశారా, మనం చేశారా?
20.
Rejection. Yeah. Question number 29.
Yes.
A real gas will behave as the direct question.
Temperature. Yes,
The
sir.
real gas will behave as an ideal gas at your low pressure and high temperature. Low
Fourth
pressure and high temperature at the fourth option. Next one, observe చేయండి. Try చేయండి అన్న సార్ 30.
Yes.
31, sir.
30.
Yes.
30 try చేయండి. ఇచ్చిందా?
Same adiabatic లాగా చేయొచ్చు. TB power.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Yes, beta. మెథడ్ చెప్పండి నాకు చాలు.
సార్ ఇది adiabatic లాగా TB power gamma minus 1.
అంతే 5.6 liters of helium gas at STP is adiabatically compressed to 0.7 liters కదా. Taking
Yes,
the
sir.
initial temperature
Yes,
to be
sir.
T1, the work done in the process will be equal to how much?
సార్
Adiabatic
వర్క్ డన్
process
అంటే
లో work done form లో చెప్పు సార్.
NR delta T
Done is equals to, yeah, it will be minus of NR into your T2 minus of T1 divided by gamma minus 1.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
అవునా కదా? So now this one
Yes,
is
sir.
what T1 V1 to the power of gamma minus 1 is equals to your T2
T2
V2 to
V2
the power of gamma minus 1.
gamma minus 1. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it is the T1 is nothing but T1 into V1 is given how much for me beta?
5.6.
5.6. So this is 5.6 to the power of gamma minus 1 is equals to T2. Volume ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు ఇది? 0.7 కదా, to the
Yes, sir.
power of gamma minus 1.
Yes, sir.
అంటే T1 will become for me T2. ఇది ఎన్ని టైంలో పోతుందా? 5.0. Gamma minus 1 I can take common.
4. Yes, sir. Gamma minus 1.
8 times 4.
లేకపోతే సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు.
ఎంత అవుతుంది ఇది? 1/8 అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
గామా వాల్యూ ఎంత?
5/3.
గ్యాస్ కదా. హీలియం గ్యాస్ కి హౌ డు యు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ గామా?
టైర్
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఎన్నో సార్ చెప్పు నాకు ముందు. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మాస్ బై మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
మాస్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 5.6.
Yes, sir.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఆటోమేటిక్ తీసుకుంటే
Initial pressure work done by this process 5.6 liters. Okay, I need to calculate it. I don't know. Okay, ఇది ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. ఇది గామా వాల్యూ ఎంత?
మోనోటోమిక్ తీసుకుంటే నాకు 5/3.
హీలియం అంటే ఏంటి?
He2.
హెచ్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
అదే సార్ He.
Diet.
టేకింగ్ డయాటమిక్ మోనోటోమిక్ సార్ H.
అంటే ఎంత?
5/3.
1/4 కదా, అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
minus zero.
గామా వాల్యూ ఎంత నాన్న?
Monoatomic కదా సార్.
మోనోటామిక్
5/3.
5/3 minus 1
2 by
Yes, sir.
3.
2/3.
2/3 అవునా? సో ఈ రిలేషన్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1/8 to the power of 2/3 అంటే this will become 4 times of t1 is equals to t. అంతే కదా?
T2. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I got
Yes,
this.
sir.
So work done is equals to this much. ఇప్పుడు R కావాలి. R వాల్యూ ఎంత? ఆన్సర్ R అని ఇచ్చాడా?
Yes, sir. R లో ఇచ్చారు.
ఓకే, R అంటే R నే పెడతాము. టెంపరేచర్ ఇచ్చాడు, టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చింది, గామా వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, గామా -1. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ వెయిట్?
1 అనే కదా సార్. మనం మోనోఅటామిక్ తీసుకున్నామంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్
ఎంత అవుతుంది?
T2 minus T2. 2/3. సార్ మోల్స్ 1 అని తీసుకొచ్చారు.
ఏంటన్నా? లీటర్స్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మాసే కదా.
Yes, sir.
యూనిట్స్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే మాస్ బై మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు 5.6 లీటర్స్ తీసుకున్నా ఉంటే సో దట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫర్ మీ 5.6. దాని ఎస్టిపి కండిషన్ లో వాల్యూమ్ ఎంత? 22.4 కదా.
22.4. Yes, sir.
అంటే 5.6 divided by 22.4.
Yes,
సో
sir.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ని మీరు మాస్ ని 5.6 divided by 22.4 చూడండి ఎంత
సరే
వస్తుంది?
ఇప్పుడు మనం 22 ఇక్కడ 5.6 లీటర్స్ అనుకోని మోల్స్ మనకి ఇప్పుడు వేరే వాల్యూ వస్తే మనం 5/3 తీసుకోవద్దు కదా సార్ గామా
ఏంటంటే?
ప్లేస్ లో. మనము గామా మోనోఅటామిక్ అనుకోని హీలియం వి టుక్ ఇట్ యాస్ 5/3 కదా సార్ గామా వాల్యూ. ఇప్పుడు మోనోఅటామిక్ కాబట్టి 1 తోనే చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్. అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ దగ్గర 1 అని పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ 1 ఎట్లా పెడతావు? మోనోఅటామిక్ గ్యాస్ కి n కి డిఫరెన్స్ n కి రిలేషన్ లేదు కదా. మోనోఅటామిక్ అంటే యు కెన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ గామా.
Yes, sir.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ హీలియం అనేది ఒకటి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ హీలియం ఇస్ బీన్ చేంజింగ్ బికాజ్ మాస్ ఇస్ బీన్ చేంజింగ్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు వాడు ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏమిచ్చాడు చూడు. బికాస్ టెంపరేచర్ కంప్రెస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు 5.6 లీటర్ ఆఫ్ హీలియం గ్యాస్ at STP is adiabatically compressed to 0.7 liters. Volume is not constant, it is been changing. అవునా కదా. సో
Yes,
ఇనిషియల్
yes,
నెంబర్
sir.
will
Yes,
be
sir.
much for me. Initial number of moles is equals to mass by molecular weight or else volume by your STP volume.
చేయండి.
5.6 divided by 22.4.
22.4.
ఎంత వస్తుంది
Yes,
అది?
sir.
5.6 divided by 22.4.
0.25.
0.25. So substitute that value there and see how much I'm getting.
0.25. 9. 20 by 20. We'll try to 9/8 వస్తుంది.
On the option
Yes, sir.
9/8. Yeah, option A ఉంది కదా.
అవును సార్.
నెగటివ్ లో వస్తుంది మైనస్.
Yes, sir.
నెగటివ్ ఫార్మ్
9/8 9/2 వస్తుందా?
అదే సార్. అది డెసిమల్స్ లో వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్.
9/8.
ఫార్ములా ఇది W మైనస్ కదా.
అవును సార్.
మైనస్ లోనే వస్తుంది అట్లే.
Yes,
అంతే
sir.
కదా. ఓకే చలో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి సార్. కీ ఇచ్చాను అది నేను మీకు దీనికి
కీ
Yes, sir.
ఇవ్వలేదా? ఓకే చూడు. 32 33 34 33 చేయండి సార్. 32 చేయండి సార్. అది రేషియో ఆఫ్ RMS స్పీడ్స్ కదా, తర్వాత చేద్దాం. 32 ట్రై చేయండి ఇద్దరు ఒకటి.